how to disable or enable custom chat sounds on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to disable it or enable it. Go to Truecaller and then go to messages here and select any chat you want, like Spotify, and once you're here click these 3 points. Now click notifications and sounds, and here we'll find this one, custom sound. Just click on it and you can disable it, and you can enable it again just by one click, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.